If you're a business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur, you've probably wondered whether a Google Business Profile, GBP, or a Facebook business page is better for your business. Both platforms help you connect with customers online, but they serve slightly different purposes. In this video, we'll break down the differences, advantages, and best uses for each platform so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with Google Business Profile. GBP is all about local search visibility. When people search on Google for products or services near them, a well-optimized profile can show your business in the search results and on Google Maps. It's ideal for local businesses like restaurants, salons, clinics, or service providers. With GBP, you can list your business details, share photos and videos, collect and respond to reviews, post updates, and even receive direct messages from potential customers. Essentially, it helps people find your business and trust it before they even visit. On the other hand, a Facebook business page is more about social engagement and brand presence. It's a platform where you can post updates, share promotions, interact with followers, run ads, and create a community around your brand. Facebook pages are great for businesses that rely on social interaction, storytelling, or ongoing engagement, such as e-commerce shops, lifestyle brands, or community-based services. It also allows you to integrate an online shop, events, and lead generation forms, which can help grow your audience beyond just local search. One key difference is intent. People searching on Google are often looking to take immediate action. They want directions, contact information, or to make a purchase. Facebook users, meanwhile, may be browsing, looking for entertainment, or exploring a brand casually. That means GBP is more transactional, while Facebook is more relational, helping you build long-term connections and brand loyalty. Another factor to consider is reviews and credibility. GBP reviews influence local search ranking and help establish trust directly in search results. Facebook reviews and ratings are important too, but they mainly impact social proof and engagement on the platform, rather than search visibility. In many cases, the best approach is to use both platforms together. Google Business Profile ensures your business is discoverable locally, while Facebook Business Page allows you to engage with your audience, run campaigns, and build a following. By combining both, you can attract new customers, retain existing ones, and create a stronger overall online presence. In summary, GBP is your go-to for local search and immediate discoverability, while Facebook Business Page is ideal for social engagement and brand building. Using both strategically gives your business the best chance to be seen, trusted, and followed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on growing your business online and maximizing your digital presence.